Shandong Meibeya Bearing Company Limited, bearing manufacturer and exporter with 60 years high-quality selection, Kisb and Ibcn. We're mainly producing all kinds of roller and ball bearings, such as deep groove ball bearings, angular contact ball bearings, spherical roller bearings, cylindrical roller bearings, table roller bearings, and so on. Our company has more than 200 sets of CNC equipment, precision testing equipment, more than 100 sets, has an independent quality inspection center and warehouse inventory system. Inventory warehouse in Shandong, Dalian. We have got ISO 9001-2000 certificate. Our products are widely used in automobiles, motorcycles, electric cars, metallurgy, petrochemical, electric power, and so on. Come and join us.